Yes, so one energetic as well here. Go first. Okay. Picture mo na. Okay. Birthday wish for your babu. I hope she becomes a great artist like me. Okay, yes, napaka-heartwarming naman yan. Kuya Evan, how about you?
I hope she becomes a lawyer.
Lawyer! Ano, ipaglalaban natin dyan. Man.
Okay. So may lawyer na sa may artist na. Of course, gusto ko sa maging singer. Pero thank you sa lahat ng mga dumalo. Sobrang thankful kami sa inyong mga time no, na dito kayo lahat. And happy birthday, Bebu!
Thank you so much. For Bebo, we wish good health. Sana maging mabait na bata, masunurin sa magulang, tsaka respeto sa mga matatanda. Bebo, always be God-fearing and inaantok na siya. Okay. Thank you so much for coming. So, thank you for your time spent with us together as a family with Avery Elise first birthday. Thank you so much.